Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now in this video, let us see about prompt engineer. So we know many technologies has been changing nowadays, and we have some new technologies new AIs ChatGPT, Bard, and all. So the technology is been changing, and obviously the as they said when ChatGPT came, many of them told that since the ChatGPT came, then many of the software engineers, many of the IT field workers will not have job year after. So that is not the actual fact, that is just a myth actually. But the real concept is, yes, ChatGPT can do some work that the man do previously, that the man was doing. That work can be done now by ChatGPT. But the thing is, like the commands for the ChatGPT should be given by a human. So the human is necessary there. In every field, the human is necessary. To ChatGPT to work, there should be a human. So the humans are also necessary when we are using ChatGPT. But the thing is, yes, there are some layoffs and there are everything happening because of this new technology and because of some things around the world. But the thing is, when ChatGPT come, then the job opportunities will increase. Obviously, there'll be many job opportunities in many different roles, not in the previous same roles which was there for previous 10 years, same as the analyst, same as the developer and all, like the junior developers. And what are the roles which we had in our previous 10 years, same roles we can't expect to be in the future also. With the same demand, we can't expect to be that in the future also, because since new technologies are coming, we also have to be updated, and we have to move to the next technology. We have to learn the new technologies, and we have to learn to use those new technologies for our work. So that is where it has changed. So nothing our jobs will get lost and we'll be jobless, nothing like that. We have to just change our stream, change our technology, and then we have to learn that, and then we can do our same job with high income as well. So now the new job which came to this era is that the prompt engineer. The prompt engineer is nothing but, it is the prompt engineers are working for ChatGPT actually. So let us see, in this video we'll be seeing who are prompt engineers and what are the works of prompt engineer. And if you want to become a prompt engineer, then what are the skills you should require and everything. So this will be the basic video of prompt engineer, so that you will understand the importance of prompt engineer, and you will get a clear roadmap idea. If you want to become a prompt engineer, you'll get a roadmap idea like what you have to study to become a prompt engineer. And believe me, prompt engineer are on high demand in the coming years. So don't neglect this actually. You have to learn this. You be more interested in this topic so that it will be more interesting, and yeah, you can learn it easily. It's more interesting. So I'll first tell you how much the salary they are getting, the prompt engineers are expected to get in the future years. So according to the Google, the hottest tech job now is prompt engineer. So they are getting the salary around 2.7 crores in Indian rupees, and in dollars that is around, you can see, $335,000, something like that per year. So now you can have an estimation, right? How important this job is, and how future you will have, what a bright future you will have if you go into this stream and if you learn this. See, they have mentioned, as soon as I write the average salary of prompt engineer, they told that this is the hottest tech job in the coming future years. So just think about it. Like what is the importance of that, and why are they using that? Why are they using prompt engineer? Is that, we'll see now. Yes, we'll see who are called as prompt engineers first. So the people who are specialized in creating prompts for AI models are called prompt engineers. So basically, what are AI models? AI models are nothing but the ChatGPT and many AI related AI related tools, AI related models and all are called as AI models basically. So, as you can see, I think many of them have used ChatGPT, I feel. So, if you have used, you can observe that if you open ChatGPT and if you type something, what happens is that it will predict the next word. If you write who is the president, it will predict the next word, like what country you might give, or like which place you might ask for, so that it predicts the next word. So that is what is happening in every AI model, AI tools. If you go for AI tools like image generator, so there also if you type something, if you give something like cat or dog, it will next predict the next word, so that it will have the idea like what you are asking for and what are the pictures it should show you. It will have the idea and it will have the storage, so that when you ask it, it will directly give you those images and give you those information. So that is nothing but the AI models. What the AI models are doing is that they are predicting the next word, and they are collecting the information from the other website, from the other articles, and then they are giving it to you. That is what ChatGPT and other AI models are doing right now. So the thing is, there are many drawbacks in ChatGPT as well, because ChatGPT cannot understand many regional languages. You can say, like, because everything you have to type in English, and then you have to ask for it. Sometimes if you type something, something there is some grammar mistakes or something ever, if you type it will just tell, sorry, I can't understand this. So that is what is the drawback in ChatGPT, because everyone can't use the most grammatical English, and everyone can't use the English when they are using ChatGPT. Because nowadays also, even the ChatGPT is so popular, everyone are not able to use that. Only the educated people, only the most educated people are only able to use that. Not the everyone, not the others as well. Because they want that to be in regional languages, so that it will be easily available for them. If they want anything to be asked, they can ask ChatGPT in their regional languages, and they can get the answers easily. So that is what they are expecting. The normal people are expecting that. But in ChatGPT, we have those drawbacks. Not only in ChatGPT, we in our other AI models also we have those drawbacks. It is not acceptable for regional languages, and sometimes it will not understand our question properly. It will just tell, sorry, I did not understand something. It will give the answer like that. And then there are many as well, many drawbacks as well. If you just go to the Google and type the drawbacks of ChatGPT, then you'll get many drawbacks actually. So that is what is happening now. So to solve those problems, the prompt engineers are required. So what prompt engineers do is that they'll give the prompts. So these people, they'll create prompts for the AI models, so that they can undergo these drawbacks, they can solve these drawbacks, and they can give the updated version next. So that is the work of the prompt engineer. So, why are prompt engineers required? This is the major doubt everyone will have when they hear about the prompt engineers. So, who are they? Why are they actually required for the next future generations, next future years? Why is this job so important, and why are they actually required? So, the thing is, prompt engineers are required in order to guarantee accurate and contextually relevant outputs, so that as I said, the chat gpt, if they ask something, it just predicts the next word and then gives the output from the, it takes the output from the other article or other websites, and then it gives us the output. But that won't be the, sometimes that won't be the relevant answer for our question. It will be like it will show something and we won't be satisfied with that answer. So the thing is, these prompt engineers, they give us the accurate contextual relevant outputs for our question. They give the accurate outputs, so that it can enhance the user experience and connects the AI generated content with specified aims, so that if what the question you asked, you'll get the like perfect output, the correct output, the accurate output for your question. so that your user experience increases and you'll be satisfied while using ChatGPT. Not only the ChatGPT, the other AI models as well. And yeah, for that the prompt engineers are required, because that is a system and we have to give something, we have to give the input for that, then only it can work. So now in this version of that, they have just created for English language and that thing, but prompt engineers will get updated to that chat gpt, and they'll use many technologies, many upcoming technologies for that, and they can enhance the experience of using ChatGPT. So that is the main work, main job of these prompt engineers. So now I think you would have understood like what is the importance of this, and from what is actually ChatGPT doing, and some of the drawbacks of ChatGPT also you would have understood now. So the thing is now, if you want to become a prompt engineer, if you are now you are willing to become a prompt engineer, after looking at this the salary package of the prompt engineers in the future years, in the upcoming years, and the importance of prompt engineer, because now in the coming future days there will be nothing like nobody will go to Google and search for it, because they'll go to Google and search for something. If they ask any question, there'll be many links there, so that again they have to go click on the link and then go to that website and then look into the topic there, the answer for their question there. If they don't get it, then again they have to come back again, click on the next link and then go and search for their answers. But in ChatGPT it is not like that. They, if they type the question, they'll directly get the answer. So that is what people are now majority of people, they are not going to Google to ask any question. They are directly going to ChatGPT to ask their questions. So that is where the world is being changing now. Some in our previous years, we would have seen the Google was so important. Everybody, for in a minute there'll be many questions asked for Google. So now it has been decreased and people are moving to ChatGPT, and people are moving to many AI models for the generation of images, videos, and everything. For their work has been more easy. So you would have understood how important in future years, how it will be more important, how the AI models, ChatGPT, and many other AI technologies will be important in our future years. You would have understood by now. So, if you are willing to become prompt engineers, then these are all the skills that are required. The first thing is large language models. LLM is the most important technology, most important language you have to learn if you want to become a prompt engineer. And next comes the natural language processing. This NLP, you would have heard this natural language processing name in many places, I think. Actually, I have heard it in many places, like many notes and many other languages. If we are learning many other languages, you would have heard this in many other computer languages. So this is also very important, natural language processing. And next comes the natural language understanding. These two are helpful for the ChatGPT for undergoing the natural human languages, for understanding the natural human languages and giving the relevant outputs according to the question asked. So for that, these two languages are important. These two skills are important to be learned. And then, as usual, AI, artificial intelligence, should also be learned for that. And then the basic programming language that is used is Python programming language. So if you learn Python, that is not that you have to be expert in Python. If you know Python, then that would be very good to start. So these are the skills that have to be learned if you want to become a prompt engineer. So I think by this you would have understood like how it is important, why it is important, and what are the scope, what are the salary in the future years, and what are the skills you want to learn if you want to become a prompt engineer. Believe me, in future this prompt engineer, not only in future, you don't need to go to the future. Now also these prompt engineers, this AI engineers are paying high salary now also. So I think you would have understood like how is it important in the coming years and all. So yes, by this I'm going to finish this video. So I think this video is more informative for you. I've shared many things related to AI models, chat gpt, and the prompt engineer as well. So I think this video has been helpful for you. And if you want to learn many other topics, I'll try to give the information about the skills also in my next coming videos. I'll try to explain those skills also. So if you want me to explain any other topics or any other technologies or anything, you can ask me in the comment box below. So thank you for this video. And I have some course according to this prompt engineer, not only prompt engineer, artificial intelligence from deeplearning.ai AI website. So that is very useful for that. It's a free course. If you go through that, it would be very useful. So I'll give the link of that in my description box as well. So go through that and learn many things. You'll get many free courses outside, so you can learn those. And then if I feel anything important, any courses more useful, then I'll definitely share the link below. So thank you for this video. If you have anything, any related doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. And please like my channel and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you. You can share this video for your friends so that it would be more informative for them also. So thank you for this video. Thank you.